Uh, I'm fixing my security camera. The old battery stopped charging. And what I did was I purchased a battery operated light from the store and took the batteries out of it and placed them in the security camera. And I soldered the leads, and I guess that's the regulator or charger board. I also soldered the back end. I sanded the area first, then you put some paste and soldered it, and it seems to be holding pretty well. Pretty happy so far, and it seems to be holding. Whenever I pass my hand, I guess it's recording, and I'll have the rest of the video when I finish putting it all back together. Got it back together, and it's working just fine with the battery. Got it all back. It had a 15,000 milliamp hour battery installed. Now it's only got 4,000, and it's still working. So I guess it doesn't need all the power, but on the battery indicator, it only shows about half. I can't show it to you on my phone because it's not in front of the lens, but you have to take my word for it that it operates with just those two batteries. So it's 4,000 milliamp hour batteries. So in a pinch, I guess you can get away with it. And then I can still charge it from underneath with the adapter when the batteries get low. Once again. All right. Thanks.